Okay, so this will be a 3-week update on the Keets, and let's see how they're doing. I've left them out here with the mama and Jasper, and Selenite is the white one, and let's see how they're all doing. Look, they're doing good. There's Selenite. The others right now are all on the outside run. This one and that one is broody, and I'm keeping them out because we're trying to take our babies. So they're doing good. It is a very, very hot day today. And then, so this is the second day I've let the other 2 hens with them, and they're not bothering them at all. This is where I put them inside here when I let all of the others in. Tomorrow, that other black one that's going over there will come in with them, and even though they were 2 weeks old, I let the others in one at a time with them, but I noticed a few issues that I'm not comfortable with yet, so I'm doing it this way. And the heat is really starting to warm up. Now, them that's out there, they have food, they have water, so I'll be putting these up over here and bringing these ones, well, I won't bring them in, I'll just open up the back and they can come and go as they please. But the Keets are too small yet because they can go through the outside fencing because they're still so small. But I know, babies. See, they didn't pay no mind to them, so that's good. And yeah, so let me come around over here, and you can see them. Now they're 3 weeks old, but going on to 4 weeks. So by the time they're 5 weeks, I want them to be totally integrated with the others. And then they have to be bigger for me to open up the back gate in case they go out there. I don't want them to go through the fence and be gone. But they're doing good. They will go in the coop at night time and to the dog carrier, so that way in the morning the others don't bother them, and I've got time to do what I need to do with all the other animals before coming out here. What are you doing, Mama? What are you doing, Mama? What are you doing, Mama? There's the other ones over there. That black one's the one I'll be bringing in tomorrow with them also. So you make this a little smaller. You can see them good. They are definitely growing. You can see how big they are. Let's see. There, now you can see them. They're getting feathered out, except for their heads yet. They still have fuzz on their heads. I'm just walking in a circle. Look, they're all going in. And I just seen Jasper. Hold on. Okay, so I got Jasper out. She pecked at one of the babies, so she was trying to get their food or their water, but they all just come in. They come in on their own, so they're all in there. Mama's shielding them right now. Let's see. It's okay. They all got white on them except for one of them. You can see that one right there. Don't have no white. All the others do. But they're all doing good. So I'll go ahead and close them in and let all the others in so they can't get to them. I'll just open up the back of that way they can come and go as they want, but these will be in here. I won't be naming these. Guineas, a lot of guineas look alike unless they're just a specific color on them that you can tell the difference. I'm drinking the water. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a blessed day. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like. I appreciate any and all comments.